Hello everyone, my name is Alison Hernandez and today I'm going to talk about use of technology in teaching English. We have 5 benefits of using technology in teaching English, so let's start. The first one is that it is the best complement for teachers in the classroom. Books are taking a backseat and technology makes it possible for classes to be much more enriching and participatory today. Educational technology is a wonderful tool to teach your English classes with lots of exercise and activities by levels and by lessons with the aim of making students much more active in the classroom. Our second benefit is educational technology motivates and stimulates students. The use of technology both inside and outside the classroom makes students feel much more motivated to feel identified with the devices in which they can practice their language through voice recognition, interactive multimedia, exercise, and etc. For young students, it is much more stimulating to learn a lesson with their tablet or a smartphone than with the classic book with your CD of exercise. The third one is it facilitates the management, monitoring, and evolution of students. It allows educational institutions to better control their activity, register students, create groups of students, manage their courses, send notification and automatic notification, etc. On the other hand, functionalities as important as the monitoring and evolution of students through software are now possible. For example, the list of groups of students, manage the courses of the center, evaluate students with effects and exams, as well as many administrative tasks in many cases has been finished thanks to online educational platforms that today have innumerable functionalities adapted to the needs of educational centers. The fourth one, that it creates a unique experience for both the teacher and the students. Technology as a complement makes the English classroom become an environment in which to share, debate, create, think, a much more creative and participatory space. English classes stop being boring with a teacher explaining on the board as usual, as for example in the traditional teaching, to be much more active in every way. Students are involved much more and better in learning with virtual whiteboards, online exercise, and interactive multimedia content. The fifth promotes interactivity and collaboration in learning. The use of new technologies allow students to be much more creative and participatory in the classroom. The educational technology allows the students to be much more prepared to class on the one hand, and on the other gives the teacher attractive resource to make their classes much more human and social, where all the students have the opportunity to participate regardless of their level. So we have arrived to the end of this presentation. I hope that you enjoy, and thanks for watching.